Dr. Marty Groth described metaphor as a figure of speech that portrays an idea by contrasting unrelated things or concepts, usually by asserting that one is the same as the other. For example, life is a journey. In essence, a metaphor is a comparison of two seemingly distinct items used to illustrate a point and generally to generate imagery, nonverbal language. And this imagery can convey a deeper meaning. Metaphors do enhance understanding, evoke imagery, and convey complex ideas in a concise and vivid manner. The phrase metaphor's more cerebral cousin kind of suggests that there's a nuanced exploration beyond traditional metaphors into a realm of figurative language that is more sophisticated and intellectually stimulating. While metaphors do create a vivid imagery by equating two disparate concepts or their cerebral cousin, it might delve more into the deeper layers of meaning, abstraction, and complexity. Some of the most famous writers, teachers, and philosophers in history used metaphors and allegory. Metaphors work through the language of imagery, an unspoken, non-verbal language. And this is my linguistic specialty, nonverbal communication. I take what I see and I put spoken words to it. Sometimes there are not enough words to convey what it is I'm seeing in a visual language. Being able to use metaphors and allegory helps me create a solid bridge between two completely different languages, cultures, and worlds. Yet there is a bridge for communication to happen. And then in the methods part of the presentation, we're going to be metaphorically applying superstring theory to this behavior model. So the captain of the ship metaphorically represents conscious awareness. Conscious processing is like the spotlight of your awareness, and it allows you to deliberately think, to analyze, to make choices. Your conscious focus, awareness, and attention is your most precious gift. Marketing knows this. Marketing knows this, and they study, research, and test how to hijack and profit from our conscious awareness. They teach today that when selling to your audience, you now have 3 seconds or less to capture your audience's attention. It used to be 6 seconds as little as 2 years ago. And it's reducing more and more to capture our attention because our focus, awareness, and attention is just spread so thin. And with this conscious awareness, conscious processing involves deliberate awareness and cognitive effort, enabling intention, decision-making, and problem-solving. We actively engage our attention, our awareness, and analyzing the information in detail, making deliberate choices, and consciously control our behavior, often relying on language, thought processes,